All right. Shall we go live? I think we should go live. I think that'll be good. Let's do that. Walk, 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 walk. Skip, skip, skip. Walk, walk, walk. Skip, skip, skip. Tickle, yeah. Oh boy. Here we go.
This is your brain on drugs.
And this is your brain on drugs. All right. What's up, everybody? This is Zoommair here, starting the stream. We are live and doing well. In recent news, I had to miss my last stream because I have my uncle in town, and just did not have the time to stream and whatnot. He just left today, and he's one of my favorite uncles. He's a great guy. So, but now that I'm back, I want to continue our project from last week. I'm going to be programming these buttons on my MIDI player, or MIDI device. As you can see, we programmed this first bank last time, and if you've noticed, we've got some new transitions put in place. And what I want to do this time is, we'll go ahead and come here. What I want to do, let's go to this view. What I want to do is on bank 4, nothing is programmed there. What I want to do is program these to be WASD for first-person shooters, and then this is going to be space. This is going to be F. This is going to be G. This is going to be E. This is going to be R. This is going to be Control, Shift, but I'm going to have this as like a Shift toggle, and this is going to be Q. So if you're familiar with first-person shooters, these are like the most used buttons. If you notice, I didn't say tab on any of these. Tab is going to be this bank button, so I can do like a dual purpose on that. So that's not too bad. So let's go ahead and start. Let's bring up the screen. Transition. Oh yeah, there we go. So I'm doing this in Bash. Here's the Bash screen, and we need a terminal up. So as you can see here, we've got the MIDI fighter, and these are the different banks. I figured out how to do commenting on here, finally. So bank 1 are all these buttons here, bank 2 are all these buttons here, bank 3 are all these, and we programmed these live last time. So here's bank 4. And one thing we gotta do here. These are gonna be mimicking the WASD buttons. So what I gotta do, first of all, we gotta turn on ASEQ dump dash L. That will show us the MIDI devices that are connected. And we need to get dash P. We'll take the port, and we want for MIDI fighter classic, and this is going to give us the input live, and there it is. So there we go. So what we need right now is the notes here. It's 80, 81, 82, 83, 76, 77, 78, 79, 72, 73, 74, and 75. So, okay. That's what we need here. I've got these commented out at the moment, but we'll fix that in a second. So we'll do this just like that. So 80 is the first one. So it's 80. Then I'm guessing the next one is 81. Yep. 81. So we're just going 82 and 83. And then these are, so 76, 77, 78, 79. Wait, 11? Where did 11 come from? 76, 77, 78, 79. Huh. That was weird. Some ghost MIDI signal just like popped through. Or was I tripping? I don't see it in here anymore. What? Okay, was my eyes tripping? I'm gonna have to see the replay of that. Whoa, that was crazy. Okay. So we need the second line. 76, 77, 78, 79. So 76, 77, 78, 79. Perfect. Next line, 72, 73, 74, 75. So 72, 73, 74, and 75. Okay. So far, so good. So now we're going to do that first line. So like I said, we're going to be Q, W. This is going to be E, Q, W, E. And this is going to be G. And, oh, you know what? We're going to need the actual bank 4 note. So note on, that's gonna be note 3. Okay. So far so good. Let me grab my Red Bull. Alright, so last time we had to go through this whole process of Xdo tool, search, name, OBS, window activate, and then run the Xdo tool key control, whatever it is, the key combination. In our case, we don't need to do all that. We just need to press the buttons. So, all we need to do is Xdo tool, key, 80 is gonna be the Q. Xdo tool, key, it's gonna be W. Oh. Xdo tool, key, E. Yep. And then Xdo tool, key. What did I say that was going to be G? Alright, so the next line, Xdo tool, key. That's going to be our A. Xdo tool, key. That's going to be our S. Xdo tool, key. It's going to be our D. And then Xdo tool. That's going to be our F. Right? Yeah, that's going to be our F. For usually flashlight and whatnot. Alright. Next line. Xdo tool is going to be key. And this one's going to be control. Because that's usually our duck. And then the next one over is going to be tricky. That's our Xdo tool, key, shift. but we want to do like a toggle shift, so we'll fix that in a second. I just want to map these keys out first, and then we'll go and do all the fancy stuff, because we also have to do the fact that this key function only just like presses it once. It doesn't hold it down. We need to change all of these to make it so that when we hold it, it stays held. So, hey K-Mem, how are you doing? Welcome. Let's show you this one. Where is it? Oh yeah. Welcome. Anyway, right now we're just continuing on with programming this MIDI device. This time we're gonna make it a game controller for first-person shooters. You like that? How are you doing, K-Mem, by the way? You're also like Dennis, or I forgot, you had another screen name as well.
Dude, chill. As long as the proud tradition
X2 tool key. So this one's gonna be our R button. X tool, and this last one is gonna be our space. Alright. Yeah, you are Dennis. Okay, cool. Yeah, I remembered. Big brain, right here. I'm good, man. I'm just been really busy with work, so I missed my last scheduled, quote-unquote scheduled stream on Monday. Plus I had my uncle in town, so I was showing him around and tending to him, so I just didn't have time. And I've actually been planning to do this stream with this thing again since then, so I'm really glad I'm able to do this right now. But yeah, thanks for joining me, man. It's good to see you again. Alright, as I was saying here, this last button is going to be our tab, X2 tool, key tab. Alright, so we can at least first check if we got all these. Alright, we're gonna save that. If you want to see what it's over here, I got, there it is. Should be able, there it is. Cool. Alright, we're gonna have to reinitialize this. So now, if we press one of these, it should work, right? So let's open up another thing here. So if we press this, that's Q, and it presses it once, right? Okay. That's W, that's E, that's G, that's A, S, D, F. This is not going to show because it's Control. This is not going to show because it's Shift. This is R, and this is space. Cool. So these all work. Perfect. So far, so good. Now, these need to be held down. So let's go look up X2 tool, key down, or key down hold, right? The key down. Let's see, key down. Aha! Here we go. The options are the same as key command. The following command will produce an effect in the current window as the letter J held down on the keyboard. Alright, so if we have a key down, what if we do key up? Another command is the key up command. Stop the key down. Oh, perfect. This is exactly what we needed. Okay, sweet. That was easy. This might be a quick stream. Alright, so we're gonna do key down, Q, key down, and I should probably just copy paste this. Done. Okay. So then if we need to if we go back to this thing here, if you notice when we do note on and note off, just like here it's note on. So last time I didn't really explain what this script does and how it works, and I only figured that out just recently. ASEQ dump, as I showed you, will show you this readout, while IFS is actually a embedded function in Bash that parses a string, and you put the qualifier here, which is the comma. So as you can see here, there's the commas delineating the string, and so you've got source, EV1, EV2, channel, label 1, data 1, label 2, data 2. That's what all these are. This is your source, this is your EV1, I believe this is your EV2. Oh, whoops, yeah, EV1, EV2, channel. This is the label 1, data 1, label 2, data 2. And so now what we gotta do, so we're just gonna take this here, note off 80, and now when we let go of this, it'll be key up Q. Perfect. So we got to do the same thing for all of these. Control C, Control V. Oh, whoops. Got to do a tab. And there we go. And so we got key off 81, key off 82, key off 83. And then we got W, W, E, E, G, G over here. There we go. Save that. Same thing here. Oh my God. There we go. We're good, doing good. Alright, so this is gonna have to be an A. This is gonna be an S, D, F. And it's gonna be 76, 77, 78, 79. We're cruising so far. Oh, whoops. All right. We're doing really good. Making good time on this. Oh, yeah, and we're going to have to do this same thing here for tab. Alright, so all we have left now is this last row. We're going to do control here. Shift here. R. Space. And then we gotta change this. 72. 73. 74. 75. And 3. There we go. We gotta change this as well. Tab. Save that. Reinitialize the script. Now we should be able to see Q, W, E, G, there we go, A, S, D, F, that's control, that's shift, R, and the space, and then tab. No such key named tab, ignoring it. Aha! So that means we're gonna have to find X2 tool key tab. I bet you it's capital figured. Where is it? There it is. So we gotta go put, there it is. Control S. I didn't need to use tab anywhere else in this, huh? Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and Frozen Zerker, what up? Welcome back. Let's get some, this does not work. Oh yeah, because I have to reinitialize this. Daha. Here, let's reinitialize that, and then we'll go for this. Some Crabberade. Oh yeah. I'm doing good. We're just reprogramming some more keys on here. Crabs, yes! Thanks for coming by, Frozen Zerker. I'm glad to see you again. How are you doing, by the way? You on break, or you still got one more day to go? Pixel art. Oh, I'm gonna have to remember that if I got some plans for some 2D games in the future. I might have to hit you up. All right, let's see. Oh, nice. Yes, there's much to learn, man. It's tough, but keep at it. It's I'm sure it's going to be rewarding eventually when we get to it, right? But yeah, man, good luck. Right now we are going to we're going to try this tab again. Okay, tab is working, I think. Yep, tab is working. All right. Easy. That's awesome. Okay. Thanks for using one of the emotes, by the way. I added that one. Yeah, I'm happy. Oh, sweet. Kek W is working again, too. I don't know. For some reason, Kek W wasn't working earlier. Alright. So we got all these working. And like I said before you came on, I want to turn the shift into like a shift toggle. And I learned recently that Bash is basically a full-on programming language. So, if I create a variable that checks to see if shift is... how can I do this? I was thinking about it. If I press it and the shift is on... check if shift is on, then turn it off. If not, turn it on. Okay, so we can do this. So if I create a I think I can just create a new variable up here. So bash variable. And yes, I am a noob to bash, so just bear with me. String equals hello world. We need true and false, basically. I need Boolean. The world is thought equals true if devhints.io bash. Ooh, this does look promising. Oh my god. Hell yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is so good. I'm like brand new to Bash. I didn't expect to be learning it. I just jumped into this project and it just happens to be that you need to use Bash for it. So, variables. Name equals John. Is there Boolean in here? Oh, they don't mention Boolean? Okay, true. Conditions, okay. Alright. I guess conditions would work. That returns either true or false. Any program that obeys the same logic like base utils such as grep or ping can use as conditions. See examples. Okay. Alright, so, okay, then that makes sense. So all I really need to do is create shift on equals true, right? Or do you need to have that like that? Just like that. Ah, okay, cool. Shift on equals true. Okay, so no, false. Shift on equals false. And then we can do this here, I think. What happened to my music? Oh, it's just going to the next song. So if then... Okay, cool. This actually helps me a lot. Let's put this here. By the way, welcome viewers. We are right now trying to program this this MIDI fighter. It's a little MIDI device. It sends MIDI signals to the computer through USB, and we're converting those in Bash. Let's go back to that view. And right now we're trying to change these buttons into WASD for first-person shooters. And let's see if we can... Okay, so right now what I'm trying to do is make this shift button, instead of doing a hold, I'm trying to make it so that when I press it, it's on. When I press it again, it turns off. So if was it shift on equals false, then, right? I don't have to make a new line, do I? Just in case I will. I guess not. Okay. So then execute key down shift. If how do I do else though? I guess it's just else, right? Let me go back to that sheet. Conditionals. Haha. Thank you again, Frozen Zerker. Echo, elif, echo. Where's else? Is there no else? If blah, then else. Okay, yeah. Else is just else, yeah. Of course, I'm overthinking it. Yeah. Cool, thank you. If shift on equals false, and that's right here, shift on equals false. That's the correct, right? False. Then X2 tool, key down, shift, else, X2 tool, key up. Right? Yeah, I think so. Okay. Let's try that. How would I, okay, so yeah. We'll be able to tell that in just a second. If I do Control C, reinitialize. So if I press this right now, if I press anything, it's all lowercase. I know. Pressed. Uh-oh. Note on then the unexpected token. Oh. Something happened. All right. I messed up somewhere. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's right here. Okay. Conditional execution. Commit for conditionals if. Okay. Then echo. Echo. Are they saying I just don't need this? Maybe double brackets, yeah. So let's go back. MIDI key. Did this one have double brackets? This one didn't have about double brackets. That's weird. Okay. Let's try the scan. Shift. Unexpected token still. Okay. Maybe I need to space it out like they have it format here. So if blah 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 blah, then string execute tool key down shift. Okay, put it so that it has only 2 brackets in total like before. I think the bracket stuff is for something with strings. Ah. Makes sense. Key down, shift. And then what was the next line after that? Oh. Else. And then so I guess these double, they don't have a space between that and that. That would make much that okay. All right. All of these have the double semicolon. So am I just not supposed to use a double semicolon here or what? I feel like I still need it. Alright, so let's try the scan. Oh! No error? Oh, but it didn't work. Okay. The is used for cases. Well, I am using cases though in this situation because these are all cases of this. Yeah, it's all wrapped in a switch. So how would I do this? Okay, before I do that, let's do this. Make sure we're doing shift properly. Let's just delete all this. Execute tool, key down, shift. Now if I press it, Ah, okay, so from the beginning we're not doing this right. So this shift, we need to look this up. Bash, no, X2 tool shift. Aha, it's probably capital as well. Yeah, of course. Capital. So let's cancel that. I bet you anything that's probably what was making it all messed up in from the get-go. So now we're typing. Oh, still doesn't work. Do I have the right key? 73. That's 73. Note on 73, key down, shift. Confused. Let's try a different button. Key down, R. Save that. Reinitialize. Now if I press it. Oh. Something's not working. Oh, now none of them are working. Aha. I found the problem. Something happened. Ah, alright. Great. What did I do? Oh. This variable is probably messing things up. I wonder. Is that not how you call variables in Bash? Cursed, yes. Now it should work. Now if I press this, yep, it just spams R. Let me Control C that. There we go. Alright, back to the drawing board. Variables. Okay, variables. Echo name equals John. Are they supposed to be capital? I don't think so. I feel like I should just take a course on Bash so I understand this crap. Okay, so Xdo tool conditional. Let's see if we can find somebody who's done something with Xdo tool and conditionals. That's not what I'm looking for. Ah, here we go. Hey, Kacha Tour 2000, welcome. Thanks for joining the crew. Oh yeah, I gotta reinitialize this, and you get a little special. Oh yeah. Welcome to the Zoom crew. Haha. Thanks for joining again. And I hope you're enjoying so far. Okay, so we've got shift working, or we got to change this to shift now. And if we do Control S, Reinitialize. So now, if we're pressing this and then we press this, yeah, and shift is on. Now we have to make it so that when we press it again, it turns off. Let's turn this off. Uh-oh. I can't. There we go. Haha. That was a close one. X that. Okay. Key down shift. I need to create a variable somewhere. While IFS read case. I guess if I did it within the actual case of note 73, right? I guess I could do that. So, oh no, but then we need a global variable. Okay. Let's try bash global variables while loop, because this is a while loop, right? Yeah. This is exactly what we're looking for. And again, the while loop is executed as subshell, so it changes the variable inside the while loop. Won't affect the external variable. This is because you're using the loop with the pipe. That's what I tried, and it didn't work. I had it right up here, and I guess it broke the whole thing. And this guy over here is saying, in your example, the while loop is executed in a subshell, just like this is. And because it is doing that, it changes the variable inside the while loop, won't affect the external variable. This is because you're using the loop with the pipe, which automatically causes it to run as in a subshell. Okay. Oh, so wait, couldn't... Couldn't I just put it before the case then? Or no, because while do case, that'll break that. This is a tough one. Let me see his alternative. This guy... Oh, so he gets rid of the pipe completely. But I need that for this command, aseq dump. This is let me try to do it in the case. What's a backslash for in Bash? Bash backslash. The last line does not know this. It's the next line. Also know that nothing you. That does not answer. Slash. Then it's going to get set to false every time, which means we can't toggle it. But what if we leave it uninitialized and then we toggle the value in the case? Okay, let me see. Okay, so if we put the variable inside the while loop and we do something like variable equals false, then it's going to get set to false every time, which means we can't toggle it. But what if we leave it uninitialized and then we toggle the value in the case? So we just not declare it from the start? I guess that could work. Where would we declare it then? Do we just do a normal declaration? Okay. While IFS equals Bobby da 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 da. I have a feeling I could put another variable here, but I could be just totally wrong there. Okay. X do tool key down shift. So oh, but then how we Let's keep looking here. We already looked at that. If I set the variable food value inside the val first, it works in the sense that values remember after this string. However, when I set the symbol to inside, it's forgotten after the while loop. It's behaving like I'm using some sort of copy of the variable inside the while loop and following. Okay. I'm just gonna try this first real quick. Where's that, oh no, I lost it. Where is that thing? There it is. True. Oh, okay. I have an idea. If, oh no, but then I still need to read that thing. Shoot. I'm so confused on this one. Okay. Sorry if this is boring. Just trying to figure this out. Alright. While note on 73, if shift on, so we'd have to declare it first. So shift on. Oh no, but every time it turns it on, it'll reinitialize. Ah, so you can't do it within the case. Because it's gonna, every time the case becomes... Every time the case becomes true, it's gonna reinitialize the variable as false if I try to do that. Ah, okay. Yeah, it has to be outside of that in a bigger scope. Think about it like control flow. When the button is pressed, whatever is inside the case will be run, which is why you can't put the variable there. Yeah. But for whatever reason, if I put it outside the while loop, it doesn't work. But it's after the pipe, which it should work then, right? I don't know, it's not... I must be declaring the variable incorrectly here. Let's go back to the simple. So, bash variable modify variable in while loop. Let's see. Test equals 10. Yeah, sure. Okay. Test. Oh, that my test like that equals yeah, 10. My test equals 10. Oh, maybe because I didn't have the semicolon? I don't know. My test equals 10. I don't need it? Okay. And then we'll do where is it? Oh, I don't need to echo it. I just need to make sure it's working. So okay. So we're typing. Yeah, so that breaks the whole program. So I wonder why. I'm just gonna try it. Let's just try it. MIDI key. Da, 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 da. If we press it, nope, still nothing. Okay, so variable here is breaking the whole thing. Ah, I have an idea. Do this, right? And we just put a variable here. My test equals 10. Whoops, Control C. Nope, that breaks it too. Alright. Make sure this is working again. Oh, I think I broke it again. What did I do? Is it because I put an extra line? Uh-oh. What did I do? Let's see. Okay, that's still working. Oh boy, I broke something else. Okay. What did I break? Let me save that. We're gonna do a Control C there. Let's go back here. Okay, so we're working again. And then, yep, and that shift is working again. We had too many extra lines, I think. Oh shoot. There we go. And there we go. Alright. So even extra lines breaks this program. That is interesting to know. So Bash is that particular that we can't have extra lines. So, knowing that, what if we put it just right here? My test 10, like that. Now if we try to get this to work, nope, that broke it again. Interesting. Alright, so something to do. Yeah, let's try that. Why not? What do we got to lose, right? So let's do that. Alright, we're working again. Okay, so my test 10 equals 10 works, right? The subshell memory BS, yeah. So then that means that guy talking about big in Japan. Yep. What's the music feel look like in this one? Oh yeah. Alright, so we're gonna do shift on equals false. We're just gonna do that. And then if, how's it structured again? If shift on, conditionals, where was it? Just see if it print, yeah. Key down. We're gonna do echo shift on like that. We'll just echo true or false, right? Oh, whoops, wrong one. Ah! Let's go back to that view. Oh yeah, it echoes. Echo shift on, but it just goes shift on. Do I do that like that? Nope. Oh yeah, was it quotes? Like that? Yeah, that's the variable I have here. Shift on equals false. How do you do variables again? Oh, is it with the dollar sign? Echo, yeah, okay. It's dollar sign. Oh, it's not dollar sign. I guess I have to do... Nope. None of those. Ah, there it is. Haha. So it's just, yeah. Dollar sign shift on. Like that. So. Now. Yes, okay. if shift on and it was like, no, shift on equals false, then echo success. Let's just do that first. Oh man, else echo failure. Oh, what the? That needs to go there. Control C. Aha. If shift on equals false, then echo success, and that worked. It works. Okay, so shift on equals false, then we're gonna do X do tool key up, or no, key down, shift, and what was it? Shift. What was it? Shift on equals true, like that, right? Else X do tool key up, shift. Shift on equals false. Oh, shift on. Okay, moment of truth. Let's also do this. Echo shift on. Echo shift off. There we go. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Shift on, shift off. Hey! That post was wrong. Oh shit. Oh my god, it works. Oh. Hell yes. Yeah, fuck that guy. Who the fuck was that? Oh my god, I don't even look for that post anymore. That was bullshit, man. Almost debated us for sure, man. Whee! At least we got it. Ready to try this out? Oh, yes. Yes. So if I do like this, control. Oh. I could accidentally. No, that's fine. We're good. And tab works, right? Oh, because shift is on. Duh. Haha. Oh, that's hella tight. What happened to my music? No. Oh yeah, there's hella silence in that one. Oh, success, man. Close that. Close without saving. So we don't need these echoes anymore. Get rid of those. Save that. Reinitialize that. Just double check. Yep, cool. That's working. Oh, I almost wonder if I should keep the echoes in there just in case, like, I leave it on by mistake and I don't realize it. Yeah. There we go. Having a little bit of feedback would be good. Yeah, see, so at least I always know. Like having console logs. Always good to have console logs. Thanks again, by the way, for this bash dev hints thing. I'm going to save that right now. And my other bookmarks. Perfect. Didn't need this. And I need this for later. Yeah, let's try this out, yeah? Since you've stuck around, you get to see this thing in action. We don't need this anymore. This can go over here. And I'm going to turn down the desktop volume just a little bit so you don't get bombarded with sound. You down for some Doom 3? Oh, where's my Doom 3 BFG edition? Uh-oh. Why is it saying that? It's not recognizing my Steam apps folder. Oh, that's great. Settings. Here, let's turn the music back on while I'm doing this. Where? Library. There we go. It does not know that, No, I already have it. Why? Hold up. Let me just restart Steam. Yeah, I'm just gonna restart Steam first. Let's see what happens first here. Because I installed Doom 3 on another hard drive. If it still doesn't recognize it, I'm just gonna troubleshoot another time and I'll jump into another game. Alright. Aha, okay, it's working now. I got worried there for a sec. Alright, let me know if the sound is too loud or whatever. That might be too loud. Hope it's not too loud. Here, I'll just do this. Settings. Nope. Nope. Oh my god, they don't give you... Wow. No volume controls in game. That's crazy. All right. I'll just go from here. Oh, that's too low now. There we go. Let me know if you can hear it. Sound is good. That's good right there. Alright, let's do this. Okay, cool. Perfect. We'll go back to continue game. I just entered Hell in Resurrection of Evil. This is my first playthrough, so... So I'm going to compare between keyboard so because I'm streaming, it feels a little bit jumpy, but that's to be expected since I'm streaming and I'm on a potato of a PC. But we're testing this out, so let's try the run. Oh, it's working. Oh shit! I died. I got a little overzealous. So, run is working. And you can always run in Hell. Nice. Jump. And there's the Hell Knights. That's reload. And reloads, yeah, I'm gonna have to get used to that. Reload is my thumb. And then that's crouch. Crouch is working. Flashlight. And then I don't know if G does anything in this game. No, nothing in this game. E is use. Q is... Most games it's like last weapon. This one is this weird heart thing. I don't know what that is. I got my shotgun. So now I can go back to walking. But why would I want to walk since I've programmed this button? Always run. He did. Oh! The enemies into anime characters, yeah. That would be something. Just like H-Doom. Save your content. Let's go. Nice, and holding 2 buttons is just like you would, like it would be in on keyboard. There's one that turns L4D to enemies into hamburgers. Oh wow. Huh. I want to try using the use button now, but we're in hell, so no need. Let's try some other guns. There's a bunch of ammo in here. Dude, this thing's great. Like, it feels really responsive. I was expecting it to have maybe a little bit of latency from the fact that it's going through a script to detect, but it feels just as responsive as the keyboard. Of your fight sticks, for sure, dude. Oh, that was not a gun I was holding. That was the gravity thingy. Oh, he can't fit in here, huh? He keeps shooting the wall. Is my run on? Oh, there it is. Now I'm running. I'm surprised it's good, honestly, LMAO. Yeah, I'm glad it works nicely. Yeah, man, thanks. Yeah, so it's like I can jump with that. Oh, this is so great. I was getting really annoyed with this game for the fact that you can't just toggle run on all the time. You have to hold it down with shift, and my pinky was getting really tired of doing it. Oh, I gotta get used to... Oh! I forgot which one was reload again. Damn it. I have to go all the way back. Damn. Oh, no, I guess not. I got save point. Oh, forgot about him. Oh, I did not know he had that much strength. Holy shit. I'm like halfway not even paying attention to the game. I'm just enjoying this too much. Oh, wow, so that like resets the shift when it starts up again. Wow, these grenades suck. Alright. Let's continue on. Oops. Totally the wrong gun, but whatever. Uh-oh. Getting stuck on something. I thought it was the game for a second. Alright. There we go. Thumb. I gotta remember thumb. Oh, Mancubus. Oh, damn it. So these buttons are like almost too sensitive. I have to get used to it. And I'm so low on health. I'm like almost scared to go back for... And there's no health back there. Never mind. It's okay, I'm just testing this out anyway. There's two of them there. Screw you. Oh, shit. Oh, I died. I knew it was gonna happen. Oh, all the way back here again. This is gonna be my last time on this one, and then I'm gonna call it after this. Consider it a job well done. Come on. There you go. Alright, I'm starting to get used to this. I'm remembering now that thumb is reload. Yes, see? Look at that. Ah! Can't miss that one. Oh, forgot it there again. Let's just go ahead and kill these guys real quick. Oh! Oh, motherfucker. Oh. And I was doing so good too. Oh, great. Let's just go with the plasma. Oh. Oh well. Like I said, that was gonna be my last one before calling it. I think that was a job well done. As far as this controller goes, I'm really happy. That's awesome. I think that deserves a celebratory. Got that something that I need in my life, so give it to me, cause you got that. Ricardo! Got him!
Got him!
JK. Well, I think I'm gonna call it for the stream after that. I think that was a successful one. Let's turn this back down a little bit. Oh, okay. As a recap, let's do a little quick recap. We went ahead and set up a whole add delay to make the inputs feel more heavy. Yeah, maybe. I actually really like how sensitive they are, and I don't know. I'm thinking of like all the games that this can be utilized in, not just first-person shooters. I'm thinking like, I don't know. There's got to be other things. But Well, anyway, going back to what we did, we set up keys or the notes coming through the MIDI device and set them up with letters on the keyboard. And unlike the other ones where all we needed was a trigger, this actually needs to know when we're pressing it down and pressing it up. So we set up note on, note off for each of the notes. And then this is the one that we struggled a little bit with because somebody put the wrong information up on the internet. Because, you know, believe everything you read on the internet. That was my fault. I should have tried this right from the beginning. Just set up the if statement right inside the case and set up the global variable outside the ASC Q dump output, and that works just perfectly. So yes, it is true that you can modify global variables within a while loop after a pipe, so, or whatever this sub process is. So fuck yeah. So don't believe everything you read on the internet. And let's see Frozen Zerker's fight sticks. Let's see. We got this one, the 8 keys, and then the stop button, right? And then, okay, so we got Hori Rap 4, that's this one, right? And the Hori Fighting Edge, and I don't know if I'm even saying that right, but I really like this one. It looks really industrial. It's like brushed aluminum. I like the layout too. Like this one seems like you need a little bit longer pinkies. This one's like perfectly like, I guess yeah. Oh, like that. It's kind of like that curve to it, which is nice. Brush steel, nice. Yeah, I really like this one. What is it called? Fighting Edge. Now, if I can find just this stick, I can combine just the stick with this MIDI device that I have, and I'd have a fight stick, right? I wonder where I can get one like that. The possibilities, man, the possibilities. So since we're here, I might as well show you what I was gonna plan to do next. So you know how like last time you were with me, we had that issue where whenever we played sounds, every time we tried to press it again and again, you'd have to wait for the sound to finish. Well, I found out you could open up a new terminal within... Yeah, you can open up a new terminal within the main terminal, and you can play the sounds over and over again. Kind of a little bit of a hack, right? So when you press it, it opens up a new terminal, and then I can press, and it just opens up a new one. So I thought I was being really clever at that point, and then I found out I was once again overcomplicating it. What you can actually do... Oh yeah, it's right here. So it's GNOME terminal. So you open up a new terminal. Still... Oh, whoops, my bad. There we go. My bad. Sorry. Here we go. So you got GNOME terminal -x sh-c, and that will initiate this process here. So it's GNOME terminal execute. I think this means within the shell, and then this as a child process, and then this is the actual command. So I thought that was really clever, and then I found out, like I said, I was overthinking it too much again. So I'm gonna take this because I can actually use this again later, and I'm just gonna make a comment so I can remember how to use that. But all you really need to do is put an end at the end. That just makes it run in the background within the terminal. You could make a bash script that runs the command, that way it doesn't open up a window. I thought this was a bash script. But yeah, like I was saying, now in theory I haven't tried this out yet, but I did it in the terminal and it worked. I haven't done it in here yet. So just do that and save, Control C, MIDI key. Oh, syntax error. I'm missing something. Error, unexpected token. Okay, I did something wrong. I did it in here, I think. Yeah, see, so this works. Maybe I need to put it in quotes. Maybe I have to do that. Oh, whoops, I left one of these here. Ah, there we go. Haha, there it is. That's all I needed to do. And the other one continues. So it's as simple as that. You put a little ampersand at the end, and that runs it in the background. So then whatever commands you run after, it's still since it's in the background, it can run the next one without waiting. Because last time, if you saw, if I didn't have these, and save that, and then I try to see that it goes one after another. But if we go back and put these ampersands in, ampersand. Now it'll run in the background. You could make a bash script that runs the command, that way it doesn't open up a window. Okay, so the difference is that your command is opening another terminal and runs the command there. Normally you just say script sh and it runs without opening a window. The window for the MPG minimize, or does it pop up? Oh, now it doesn't even open up a new. It's all in the same terminal now. Yeah, it doesn't pop up. So nothing pops up. So it's all in the same window now. Woohoo! So yeah, no worries there. Simple. I love it. Just that's all I need. Let's see how long we've been going. Almost 2 hours. Nice. Anyway, Frozen Zerker, appreciate you hanging out. Easy, right? Whoa, what we got here? Easy. Anyway, bro, appreciate you hanging out with me while I did this. I think I'm gonna call it a night. It's just about 4 a.m. for me. Where are you at? What time zone are you in? Stream quality is increased by 500%. Oh hell yeah! Thank you. Appreciate that. Yeah, I've actually worked pretty hard to get the stream quality up. I adjusted camera settings. I got this. Made my own little overlay for the chat. Got the, what do you call it, Twitch alerts. And Finland. Whoa, that's cool. Well, greetings from America. That's awesome. Finland. I would love to visit one day. But yeah, I've got, like, none of this stuff is available on Linux. America, yeah. These overlays, I had to, like, hack it up together. They're like see-through because they're just basically like Twitch alerts. It's just this window here that I'm broadcasting over the stream, and then the chat. Yeah, it's just the same chat window, just using what is it called? Window capture? Yeah, it's this thing. Properties. Oh, whoops. Maybe that's not the one. Cancel. Anyway. I'm getting too deep now, but thanks again, Frozen Zerker. I'm gonna call the stream now. Greetings from Trump land. I can't believe it is Trump land right now, but not for much longer. Pray for us. I don't know if you're a praying person. Send good vibes towards us. I don't know if America is gonna be here much longer. If you know what I mean. It was fun as usual. I appreciate that. It was fun having you with me. Anyway, man, have a good night or a good day out there in Finland, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
runs through me like a drug through my veins. You're all I think of, I adore. Just one little taste and I want more. You are my.
And is a developer as well. So let's see. Y'all have a great night. I post schedule on Twitter. I may or may not be streaming.
My Twitter has become so powerful that I can actually make my enemies tell the
I
truth.
forget about that too. May or may not be streaming on Thursday. And at the very least, I will be back Saturday. Yeah. So y'all have a good night. Thank you for hanging out, and thank you for helping with the code challenges earlier. I think I'm going to put them in the dev post and try to credit as many people as I can. And y'all have a good night. If you want to catch that on dev recap, there you go. Right. And also, I don't know if you want to do a raid thing, but I don't have the raid command on my stream deck right now. So, oh, shoot. 8 seconds. It's going to auto raid.
Oh shit. Thanks, Ninja Bunny. Appreciate the raid. Here, I'm gonna let that go through anyways. Let me do that real quick. Let's see. Give treat. Actually, I should double check to make sure there's any treats in there. How was your stream? Were you programming, or were you playing Death Stranding?
North American, yeah. Right, but like just above USA.